What's up, man?
Relay, I'm overlapping relay. I double back and replay. It's not a game, no EA. I'm global trapping eBay. I make it look so easy. You'll never touch a cement. I double profits each way. Relay.
So I've been rocking these Vans probably, I want to say about probably like 3 or 4 years. My lady's been saying, you know, they don't even look black anymore. She got the new ones and I'm going to be riding out in style. Boom. Brand new things. Thank you, sugar. Appreciate you. Oh, I can't go wrong with a pair of Vans or some Chucks. West Coast all day, baby. New shoes, baby. There's nothing that can describe the feeling. New shoes on the ride, new shoes on my feet, boy. What's going on, likers, subscribers, and everyday vibers? It's your boy T-Rev. I wasn't going to make a video. I was literally just going to go out for a ride, but Sabrina crashed my drone. I did want to say I was going to turn it into a video yesterday because she felt really bad about it. I replaced the propellers and everything like that. It's a little cosmetic, you know what I'm saying? But as far as I know, the drone is perfectly fine. She felt really bad, man. Like, and honestly, I think when I told her, I was like, hey, watch out for the fence, I think I kind of freaked her out, and she just hit whatever button her thumb was on, and it flew into the fence and broke all the propellers that were on the drone. I didn't want to make her feel any worse than I'm sure she already did, because it was literally her first time flying the drone, and she was having fun doing it, and I was just like, cool, you know. And as soon as she said, all right, well, let me bring it in and land it, that's when all that stuff happened. And luckily I was recording her on her phone to put it on Instagram, so I actually have 2 different sets of footage for the drone crash, which you guys can actually check out right now.
Oh, away from the gate. Away from the gate. Oh, away from the gate. Away from the gate. Oh.
Lucky enough to be recording on her phone, because I mean, it could have been a costly mistake, you know, but when something like that happens, it's always nice to at least have footage if you're gonna have something go wrong, so you can actually savor that memory. So it's pretty legit that I was recording on her phone, and of course the drone was recording as well. So 2 tears in a bucket, you know what I'm saying? Material things can be replaced, lives can't. So as long as she's good, I'm good. I could really care less. Man, I'm really feeling these new shoes. I don't know how long it's been since I've actually had a new pair of shoes. That's funny. The Vans tag blew off as soon as I jumped on the freeway. This is where I got caught speeding that one time. What the fuck is this guy doing? He's eating. I just saw him licking his fingers. You fucking serious? You guys really have to prioritize, dude. Whatever you're eating is not worth you fucking crashing into somebody. I've been getting late starts on the days. Just because you have a day off doesn't mean you have to do something. My days off primarily are going to be for sleeping in and catching up on rest. Like, I work enough that I should be able to rest on my days off. I think the worst thing though is when you have a couple days off in a row and you get used to sleeping in. That first day back to work, having to wake up at like 6:30. It's rough, dude. It's rough. It is super nice out today though. I'll tell you what, with as hot as it's getting this early, your boy's about to be chocolate by this summer. These have to be like a pair of my favorite socks, the Zero Fox Given. Yeah, this is like my favorite way to actually ride because I can actually get out, see some greenery, and the speed limit's a little bit higher over here. A little bit higher. This breeze feels amazing too. It's not like insanely hot. What the? So another thing I'm really excited for, guys, is my upgrades that I'm going to be doing to the performance of my bike, not only aesthetics. Everything that I've done so far has been only for aesthetics, so I'm super excited to get some upgrades included that are going to be for the performance on my bike. Already got a B-Day wish list in the works. So I think the most expensive thing, of course, is going to be my exhaust. I know I've asked a lot of people what they think I should go with, and I'll leave that for a reveal. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what I'm going to get, but you will see very soon. It's definitely costly though. You're upgrading the exhaust because you got to do the air intake. You also have to either get it tuned or of course get a tuner, which is what I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna see how the tune is gonna go and then see if I need to actually take it to somebody and get my bike tuned. Honestly, I don't think I'll have to, just because it's an 883, you know. Now if I decide I wanted to go to like a 1200, I'm sure of course I'll have to do some more tuning on it, but I think for the setup I'm going to be running, that I will be perfectly fine. That lady is straight on her phone, no fucks given. Comment down below what exhaust system you think I'm going with.